Today we'll be talking about face masks. And let's face it, literally, the single most important protective gear that you will wear to prevent you from COVID-19 infection is a face mask. And the right face mask. And we'll concentrate on that in this video. So stay with me till the end for my recommendations. Hi, I'm Dr. Manoj Bharucha, a gastrointestinal and bariatric surgeon in Mumbai, India. I give information on various current medical topics in this channel. So if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. There are all kinds of commercially available face masks that have evolved since the onset of the pandemic. For quite a while, the general population was advised to wear cloth masks or the 3-ply masks, which essentially protect people near you but do a very poor job of protecting you because they allow air to enter from all sides of the mask. So, all those bandanas, homemade masks, and those available at the supermarket are equally ineffective. In fact, even the surgical 3-ply mask, this one, which is the best among all those that I have mentioned, is only slightly better. Even wearing multiple such masks doesn't increase safety. It's just more uncomfortable. Wearing such masks only gives the wearer a false sense of security. Of course, it's not only the mask. We all know that physical distancing and regular hand washing are also very important. But often, in very densely populated areas, physical distancing gets thrown out of the window and your mask becomes even more important. So, which mask should you wear? That is the million-dollar question. And friends, that's the N95 mask. It's also called a respirator. Combined with regular hand washing and physical distancing, it gives you the maximum level of protection. Unlike all the other masks, which can be compared to a strainer, the N95 is comparable to a multi-layered cobweb due to the electrostatic charge which is built into the polymer layers. N95 means that the mask blocks 95% of all particulate matter, including the coronavirus. Due to its design, it's got intelligence, unless it's a fake, of course. The mask must fit snugly, making it a little difficult to breathe normally, and so less comfortable means a better seal, and vice versa. You can easily check this by increased difficulty in breathing and the suction movement of the mask when you breathe in, like so. Before we go to my recommendations, just let's have a look at the N95 mask and its construction. I'm trying to show you, this is a mask that I have cut, and you can see that it has multiple layers in it. Now, the innermost layer can absorb moisture. The outermost layer is water resistant, so that any spillage on the outer layer will not go inside. And in between, you can see that there are multiple layers, one or two of which have an electrostatic charge. Coming to my recommendations. One is the Magnum mask, used in many hospitals. The Venus mask. This too is very commonly used in majority of hospitals. This is an unbranded mask made by Mahima Enterprises, but is a good mask with 5 layers of protection. And this mask, which is probably the most advanced, is the one made by Lotus, and it's called Maskit. It is a 6-layer respirator mask. So what mask are you wearing now? And do you plan to switch to the N95 after this? Do let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this video, give it a like. My next video will be on all the practical aspects of wearing, removing, sanitizing and reusing that expensive N95 mask. I'm Dr. Manoj Barucha signing out. Thank you for watching.